Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, this one, Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the messed up chart of Euro USD. If you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that I am not a big fan of Euro USD's chart right now. But right now, after the NFP, when dollar witnessed heavy selling, we saw Euro USD making big candles. Okay, so let's try to understand the dollar first, because if you want to make some money on pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, then you must know what is going on in the chart of dollar. You must understand the body language of US dollars chart. Dollar after the NFP witnessed heavy selling and right now standing at the support. There is, you can see that there has been a big red candles, but this level has been acting as a very strong support for quite some time. So though it is standing at 95.73, but it is a support zone. What is support, my dear friends? Support means it is the buyers zone. Buyers are present in this level. So after the market opening, if dollar goes down also, but still I think that there is a good possibility of dollar holding this level. 95.50 is the ultimate support right now, because apart from the static horizontal support, we also have the additional support from the Fibonacci. So if we combine all these factors, then yes, there is a good possibility for the US dollar bouncing from the support level, and moreover this is a sideways market. So if dollar bounces after the market opening, then obviously we will see selling on Euro USD again. After all, both the charts are in a tight narrow range. So keep your eyes on the chart of DXY, because DXY's movement will be very crucial for Euro USD as well. Now let's focus on the chart of Euro USD. Typical sideways market, no doubt about it, and it has entered, dollar entered the support zone and it has entered the resistance zone. Ultimately closed at 1.1360, and 1.1350 to 1.1380 has been acting as a resistance for the market for quite some time. What is resistance? Zone of sellers, place of sellers. So in dollar is standing at the place of buyers, it is standing at the place of sellers. So if dollar, yes, listen to me carefully, if dollar bounces from the support, then obviously Euro USD will also reverse from the resistance zone. And if that happens after the market opening, I think you can take a sell position as well. So whatever you do, please consult the chart of DXY and take the additional confirmation. When you have the access to the charts for the additional confirmation, you should not miss the opportunity. That is my belief. Okay, and in case something extraordinary happens to the market, and if Euro USD goes up from here, then also do not take any buy position, because after all this is a seller zone. Okay, this is a seller zone, so do not initiate any buy position until and unless Euro USD breaks this level 1.1380 to 1.1390. Until and unless Euro USD breaks this level, do not initiate any buy. What is the reason? The reason is, see, this is a seller zone. If market breaks this level, then we can consider that at last market has crossed the resistance, and this level will be acting as the new support. The resistance will become the new support. So until and unless the resistance level becomes the new support, it is not advisable to take any buy position in this resistance level. Hopefully you have understood my point. If you have not, please watch this portion again. I'm extremely sorry, because I do not like to complicate things, but sometimes things get complicated. Okay, I'm helpless. Anyways, if market comes down, then the trend line, this trend line will be acting as a resistance, and then we have many levels here. Okay, first of all, okay, listen, one 1.1300. This will be the first level. Then we have the trend line as second support. Then we have 1.12 70 to 60 is the third support. There are multiple minor support in the chart right now, but the most important thing about the chart of Euro USD is that Euro USD is not crossing the previous high. You can see the Euro USD is constantly forming higher lows. Higher lows generally signifies that buyers in the market are not in the mood of surrendering. They want to take the market up. So this can be a critical thing for Euro USD, and that's why I just mentioned that there is a possibility of a breakout as well. And the reason is market is constantly forming lower highs. This is a good thing and a big thing. Usually when this kind of stuff happens in an uptrend market, we consider this as an ascending triangle pattern. Okay, we consider this as an ascending triangle pattern in an uptrend market. But as the same thing is happening in downtrend market, so still we may see some selling as well. But right now I think that buyers are present in the market and they are trying their best to take the market upward. So by next week, if market breaks also the resistance level and starts going up, I will not be surprised, because Euro USD has been giving us clear signs that yes, there is a possibility of a breakout in the future. Okay, let's see where the market goes, how the market reacts. But for trading purpose for Monday, okay, keep in mind that this is your resistance. Market is standing at resistance, and if you want to take buy sell whatever you do, take the additional confirmation from the DXY. And in case market comes down also, we have got many support levels available, not the very strong one but minor support levels. First one at 1.1300, second the trend line, thirdly 1.126070. Okay, and always keep in mind, okay, this level is not important for Monday, Tuesday, but in case Euro USD witnesses heavy selling, then this will be the ultimate support for Euro USD. 1.1235 to 1.1220. This is the ultimate support. In case of a heavy selling in the after 1 week, 2 week, in case something bad happens, then there's a good possibility this level will be the great support. I think this level, okay, usually I do not talk about buy limit, sell limit, but this level deserves a buy limit on Euro USD. Okay, so whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday, all the best.